Welcome students to another video in physics, and today we will see how our image is formed by a convex mirror. In the previous video you have seen image formation by concave mirror, and today we have convex mirror. So what do? We first take a convex mirror. The inner surface of the mirror is polished or silvered. Then we draw a principal axis. This is the principal axis and this is the pole of the mirror. We consider an object AB which is far from the mirror. We call it infinity, that is very far from the mirror. And then what type of rays we consider? We consider rays which are parallel to the principal axis. So we have this ray. This is parallel to the principal axis. When it falls on the mirror, it gets reflected. Reflected in which direction? In this direction. Okay, a ray parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it goes along this direction, so that when produced backwards, you produce it backwards, this point will be the focus of the mirror. Ray parallel to the principal after reflection goes along this direction, so that when produced backwards it passes through the focus. We consider another ray, again another one, which is again parallel to the principal axis. The ray after reflection, where will it go? It will go in such a direction where when produced backwards it should pass through the focus. So something like this. This is the reflected ray. When you produce backward, it passes through focus. Now see, the reflected rays, when produced backwards, they appear to meet at F. So this is the position of the image. So for an object at infinity, so what is the position for an object at infinity? Object at infinity. Position of image. What is the position of image? The image is formed at F. At F. And just notice, for a convex mirror, focus is behind the mirror. This is the front face of the mirror. This is behind the mirror. So position of image is at F, behind the mirror. And what is the size of the image? You can see it is just a point sized. So we say size of the image is highly diminished or point sized. Highly diminished. And what is the nature of the image? What is the nature? The reflected rays, they are not actually meeting. They are meeting only when they are produced backwards. So what will be the nature? It will be virtual. And virtual images are erect. So nature of the image will be virtual and erect. Clear? And next we have another position of the object. Again we have a convex mirror. This is a convex mirror. Then we take the principal axis. This is the pole of the mirror. AB is the object. Now again the same, we have a ray which is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it will go along such a direction so that when produced backwards, it passes through F. Okay, this is F, so C will be here. Just F is to be the midpoint of P and C. So focus is here, this is the center of curvature. And the second ray, what we consider? We consider a ray which is passing through the center of curvature. A ray passing through the center of curvature. After reflection, where will it go? It will again go back along the same direction. So this is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray. The two reflected rays meet at this point. So this gives you the image of the object. The two reflected rays meet here. So this is the position of the image. Now, for any position of the object kept in front of a convex mirror, the image will always be formed between P and F. So, what is the position of the image? Position is between, this was the pole. So, position is between pole and focus. And what is the size of the image? Size of the image, you can see it is smaller than the object. AB is the object, A dash, B dash is the image. So, size is smaller than the object. And what is the nature of image? Nature is, again, the reflected rays, they are not actually meeting. So we have nature of the image is virtual and erect. And this holds for any position of the object. So we can say, what is the position of the object? Object between pole and infinity. So you keep the object anywhere from this pole to infinity, that is at some finite distance, always you get the image which is smaller than the object, and it is always formed between the pole and focus, and nature is virtual and erect. So these are the two positions of image formed by a convex mirror. So hope you all understood this, children. Thank you.